In this video, I will explain how to install an external expansion tank on a heating system in a house or apartment. Currently, most expansion tanks are installed directly in the heating boiler. They are modern, good, but not durable. After about 2 years, my tank rusted, the membrane stopped functioning, and I had to throw it away. And buying a new one is very expensive. To solve this problem, you can solder it into the home's heating system. Here is such an external expansion tank. Its volume depends on the heating system. The larger the heating system and the more radiators, the larger the expansion tank needed. I have a 9-liter one here. You will also need to buy such amount that is adjustable in a extension. You need such a union and a piece of plastic pipe, depending on what kind of heating system you have in your home. Then you need to take such a T. Soldering by diameter, according to the size of your heating system pipes. Determine the location, shape of the future expansion tank. Choose a 3 cm cut. And then we will solder it into place. Plastic pipes. Mine are with foil, insulated. So you will also need such a tool to chamfer for soldering the T. Using such a pipe cutter, which usually comes in a soldering kit, we cut out this 3 cm distance. Be prepared for water to run from the pipe, so have a container ready to catch it. In the heating pipes of my system, there is foil inside that needs to be trimmed off, otherwise the pipe won't solder to the T. We take this tool and start cutting off the outer layer of plastic and foil. Now one side of the pipe is cleaned of the top layer. Now let's proceed to remove the same layer on the other side of the pipe. Now the work of cleaning the pipes is finished. If you don't have such a tool for cleaning pipes, you need to take a regular file and file it around. But this is very time consuming and tedious, so it's preferable to have it buy or rent. Now we wipe the pipe from dust and dirt. And proceed to solder the T. Here my space is limited because this pipe doesn't move, so first I will heat the inside of the T, a little longer than usual. And here the diameter is 32 mm, so it needs 8 seconds. I will do 10. And we will heat this side less, so that the overall connection time is longer. Therefore I will heat it for about 5 seconds. So let's begin. And after this connection cools down, we will solder the mounting for the tank. And attach the mounting to the wall using wood screws. Since my walls are made of clay, if your walls are concrete or brick, you will need dowel nails and to make holes for them. Before installing the tank in its place, it is necessary to check the pressure in the internal cylinder. To do this, unscrew this cap. Under it there is a valve. It's like a regular automotive or bicycle, standard one. Check the pressure output in the cylinder. The pressure should be about 1 atmosphere. If it is less or more, it needs to be adjusted and pumped up with a regular pump. Then wrap the thread of the expansion tank with Teflon tape or tow in a clockwise direction along the thread. I make 9 turns of the tape because mine is thick. And we attach the expansion tank back to its place on the bracket.
We increase the pressure in the boiler heating system to 8 atmosphere. This pressure should equal the one in the expansion tank.
Just after this, it is necessary to check the units to account for leaks. So if everything is fine, then you can safely start the heating system.